So, what if I told you there's a scientific reason that social media channels have us feeling empty? That's because these channels don't support a fundamental human need to socially matter. The more time we spend engaging online, the lonelier we can feel. And it's why I established the Social Mattering channel. Because let's face it, we're not craving more likes and hearts. Deep down, we want to be heard. We want to know that we're making a difference. So, how can we quickly and powerfully let one another know how we matter? Grace notes. Grace notes is my term for a message of mattering. It's how we say to someone, I see you. Here's how you matter. You can also call a grace note a eulogy for the living. When we know how we matter, we're more connected to one another. We are more resilient. We're less anxious. So it's time to transform our social feed and replace that mean with more meaning. Subscribe to the Social Mattering channel. It's the social feed that feeds you.